In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Exodus wallet to Binance safely and correctly. First, open Binance on your app or browser and log in. Go to Wallet, Arrow, Fiat, and Spot. Search for the coin you want to receive, like BTC, ETH, or USDT, then tap Deposit. Make sure crypto is selected, choose the coin and the network you want to use, and copy the deposit address. If the coin uses multiple networks, pick the one that matches what Exodus supports and has reasonable fees. Now open your Exodus wallet on desktop or mobile and unlock it. On the home screen, choose the same coin you just selected on Binance, then tap Send. In the recipient address field, paste the Binance deposit address you copied. Double-check that the coin and network in Exodus match what you chose on Binance. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then review the network fee and total. When everything looks correct, tap Send and confirm. After a few blockchain confirmations, go back to Binance, Wallet, Transaction History, and you'll see the deposit arrive in your Spot wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.